Hey guys, if you're seeing Windows Update error code 9C48, don't worry. This error usually happens when Windows Update components are corrupted or blocked. It prevents your updates from installing, but we can fix it step by step without reinstalling Windows. First, press Windows plus R, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Stop. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also called BITS, right-click it, and stop it as well. Next, press Windows plus R again, type C, Windows Software Distribution, and press Enter. Delete everything inside this folder. Don't worry, Windows will recreate them automatically. If Windows refuses to delete some files, restart your PC and repeat this step before continuing. After clearing the folder, go back to Services and start Windows Update and BITS again. Now press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/ScanOut and press Enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. If SFC finds and fixes errors, restart your computer when it finishes. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and let it complete fully. This may take several minutes, so be patient. Once DISM finishes, restart your PC again to apply all fixes properly. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If the update starts downloading normally, this error is now resolved. If you're still seeing the error, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall software and try updating one more time. In most cases, resetting update components and repairing system files completely fixes this Windows Update error. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more Windows fixes. I'll see you in the next one.